In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word has stopped working. Let's dive right in and get your Word back on track. First, we begin by restarting your computer. This step may seem simple, but it's crucial. Save any open work you have. This ensures you don't lose any important changes. Once everything is saved, close all open programs. This might sound obvious, but closing programs helps free up your computer's resources. Now go ahead and restart your computer. A fresh start can often clear out any temporary issues that cause Word to stop working. With your computer restarted, let's move on to the next step. Disabling Word add-ins can tackle issues caused by third-party extensions. Open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, click on File, then choose Options. In the Options menu, select Add-ins. Here you'll see a list of add-ins. Choose COM add-ins from the drop-down menu. Click the Go button next. Uncheck all the add-ins you see. Finally, click OK. Disabling add-ins can resolve compatibility issues that may cause Word to crash. Next up, let's ensure Microsoft Office is up to date. Open Word again, click on File, then go to Account. Here you'll find Update options. Click on it and then select Update Now. This will check for the latest updates and install them. After updating, restart Word. Keeping your software updated is vital as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. After updating, it's time to address a possible corrupt document. Open Word once more. Click on File, then Open, and select Browse. Find the document that's causing trouble. Instead of opening it directly, click the arrow beside Open. From the options, select Open and Repair. This feature attempts to repair the document and may resolve your issue. By following these steps, you often resolve the problem of Word not responding. Restarting your computer and disabling add-ins can prevent many common issues. Updating Office ensures you have the latest fixes and security improvements. Repairing a corrupt document can salvage your work without losing important information. Remember, these steps are designed to tackle the most common causes of Microsoft Word errors. If none of these solutions work, you may need to seek further technical assistance. But often, these simple actions are enough to get you back to work quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope these instructions were clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care and good luck with your work in Microsoft Word.